Hey guys, okay, so I received this. Okay, we're on the. Well, I got this on the 12th. This was sent on the 4th of March. So, yeah, 9 days from Canada. Canada, which is, I don't know, they either take 70 days or really quickly. I don't know, it's a funny one. Right, let's get a knife in here. This is from Philippe. I believe this is a lockout, master lockout, that has broken. I've had this before. Yeah, I've had this before where the core turns round, and as soon as it does that, you can't go anywhere with it. You've got to take it apart. So I think that is what's gone on there. Okay, no, it's intact unless it has gone round, but. That's absolutely fine. What's going on? That's exactly how they behave. Unless it was just that he could not pick it. Okay. Right, okay, I thought this was broken, so tell you what, I don't want to turn the camera off now, because let's see if we can do an out of packet job. Right, well, I've got the camera in the wrong area, but it's not like we haven't been here before. Okay, let me just set this up a bit better. Okay, I'm not going to be able to offer a fantastic view of this because of the recess going on here. And I'll try and work around the camera, which I haven't done for a long time. Okay, so we've got quite a wobbly core going on here. How many pins have we got? Let's have a look at the bit in here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Maybe it was just he couldn't get it open. Okay. Yeah, it does feel a bit strange in there actually. Okay, a bit on 1, a bit on 2, nice little full set. And rotation on 1. Full set back on 2. Trying to find some sort of feedback somewhere. Got it again on 1. Can't just set it properly, unless I'm hitting the wrench. I don't know. Ah, Oh, you've got it open, okay. Well, the pick did come out, the tension wrench did come out, but luckily I caught it. So there we have the Master Lockout 6-pin from Philippe in Canada. Merci, monsieur. I really appreciate the lock. I thought it was broken. I was going to have to crack it open by our correspondence, but obviously not. That is how it reacts. So yeah, I'll grab your address off you, Charlie, and I'll return the favour. I will send something back to you before too much longer. Anyway, thank you guys. I will leave it there. It's a bit of a surprise. I didn't quite know what to expect there, but yeah. Anyway, take it easy. I will catch you very soon. Be good.